All right, guys, I am super excited about this one. We got a 1969 Camaro SS. This is one of my absolute favorite cars, especially equipped. Just how this one is, big block, 4-speed, all muscle. This car here belongs to a buddy of mine. He owns a lot of high-end Chevys. Cool thing about this car is, as nice as it is, regardless to the fact that every nut and bolt's been turned, he drives this car. He drove this car up to me 50 miles in Atlanta traffic. If that tells you anything about how reliable this is, how much he believes in this car, she is absolutely gorgeous. Again, she gets driven. The paint is almost perfect, but there's little things like that rock chip there you can see. And that's me nitpicking the car. I think there's one more on the door corner. Right there. Absolutely gorgeous interior. Perfect top. Gauges. All perfect. Just an absolutely beautiful Camaro. A great example. Super nice color. If there's anything I missed for you guys, just drop me a message. I'll try to get back to everybody. It gets tough sometimes between Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. The answers can typically be found on the website, carbarsales.com. We'll have a full write-up on this car. But just absolutely gorgeous Camaro SS. We're gonna get her on the lift, open the trunk, and my buddy is telling me I need to take this thing out on the road. So we'll try to get some footage of that as well. 1969 Camaro SS. All right, a lot of guys have issues. They say that big blocks are hard to start, but I just want to show you guys, this is every single time with this car. I probably had the car running for all of 30 seconds while I brought it into position for this video. But on a cold start, 2 pumps of the gas and just let her idle. It's gorgeous. Let's take a look up underneath this 69 Camaro. This is no underbody detail, and like I said, every nut and bolt was restored on this car. This car is driven. It's not just babysat. It gets out there and gets on the road. But check this thing out. Just absolutely gorgeous. The frame rails. Nothing to hide. Just an absolutely amazing car. All right, let's take a look up underneath this 69 Camaro.